So far, only about 2% of microbial diversity has been able to culture under laboratory conditions. This is because of the fact that to obtain the cultures, there is a need to understand the biological requirements of specific organism. Getting a culture of microorganism is an art based on scientific practices and principles. It is an art in the sense that providing required growth conditions like media, physical and biological conditions within a confined manner needs imaginative skills to the developers. It is a science as once it is standardized, it can be repeated by anyone for any number of times. Here, let us attempt to understand the basics about methods of microbial culture. To obtain microbial cultures, predetermined culture media and controlled conditions are essential. To ascertain this, 5 basic techniques will be practiced in a routine microbiology work. They are inoculation, incubation, isolation, inspection, and identification. Together, they can be called as 5 I's. Let us have an overview of these individual techniques. Inoculation is the first technique what we are going to understand. So bringing any kind of microorganism to the culture media is very much essential to obtain and to understand its growth and growth characters. And that will be performed in the first step called inoculation. And it leads to the producing a pure culture, and it can be referred as an act of introducing microorganism or suspension of microorganism into a predetermined media. And once inoculated, it has to undergo a process called incubation, where the microorganisms will be grown under required growing condition. What may be the meaning of required growth conditions? Say for example, if we are growing a microorganism which refers to the human gut or intestine, where always our body maintains 37-degree temperature. So if you want to culture such microorganisms, we need to give such temperature. And if it is growing in the stomach, we have to give acidic conditions. So all these required conditions need to be given to the microorganism, and that can be referred as incubation. Whereas if we are growing a soil bacterium, since soil shares its atmosphere with the soil shares its temperature or pressures or other conditions with the atmosphere, that is open systems, may not be the temperature controls and all required for that. Whereas for a regulator organisms, it may be essential like that. So in this condition, incubation makes a very distinct role to play to obtain a culture. And after incubating for a specific time period, we will be getting different colonies as it is shown here. So we can see that the different kind of colonies will be obtained, and these colonies need to be, here we can observe different types. Here they can, so isolation need to be done because we have to separate them. So individual understanding of the individual colonies, individual microorganisms from a mixture of inoculant may be essential for our understanding. So isolation will be performed to separate of a strain from a natural or mixed population of living microbes as present in the environment. And once it is isolated, it will be used to inspect. So how we will be inspecting? We will inspect the microorganisms, especially with the appearance of its colony, in the case of bacteria majorly, and some many times in fungi also, but majorly in the bacteria, and it will be based on type of margin, color, elevation, texture, shape, like structures, and under that we can observe different kinds of growth characteristics which will help us to ascertain their identity, which is a next very important step in getting the cultures. And identification of any entity is most essential part, and it is also true in the case of microorganisms. Proper identification of a species, proper identification of a strain is very much essential to know what is the real characteristics of that particular organism, and that can be performed by correlating the data from all observations, what we call it as previous step inspection, and thereby comparing it with already available literature, and we can identify the organisms to the species, and later we can have their collections based on our requirements. So these are the very basic 5 techniques which are involved in microbial cultures.